In today's video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Borg Robotics' ambitious vision, the cutting-edge features of Borg 01, and its potential to shape the future of robotics. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Let me introduce you to Borg 01. First, let's focus on the star of the show, Borg 01. This isn't just another humanoid robot, it's a game-changer. Designed by Borg Robotics, it's built to tackle some of the most repetitive and demanding tasks in industrial and manufacturing environments. Double asterisk. What sets this robot apart is its groundbreaking modular design. Borg 01 can effortlessly switch between two forms, a bipedal humanoid mode and a wheeled base. Here's the fascinating part. It transitions autonomously while stationed. In most industrial environments, like warehouses and factories, wheeled movement is the standard due to the layout. With its wheels engaged, Borg 01 navigates these spaces with remarkable efficiency. However, when a task demands greater precision or involves navigating uneven terrain, it transforms into a two-legged walking mode. This unique adaptability isn't just a cool feature, it's a practical solution to real-world challenges. Unlike many industrial robots that are confined to a single type of movement, Borg 01 is designed to excel in diverse scenarios. But Borg 01 is capable of performing both tasks, making it highly versatile for a wide variety of applications. Now, let's explore the unique features that set Borg 01 apart in the world of industrial robotics. Borg 01 demonstrates its ability to seamlessly transition between wheeled movement and walking on two legs. This autonomous switching occurs entirely without human intervention, allowing the robot to navigate both flat surfaces and challenging terrains effortlessly. In its wheeled mode, Borg 01 can operate for up to 6 hours on a single charge, while its bipedal mode is optimized for shorter, task-specific bursts of activity. Battery swaps are incredibly quick, taking only a few seconds, which ensures minimal downtime. Borg 01 features a versatile end effector system, capable of utilizing a wide range of tools from vacuum grippers to 5-fingered humanoid hands. These tools can be autonomously swapped in seconds, enabling the robot to adapt seamlessly to various tasks on the fly. With the ability to handle loads of up to 12 kilograms, Borg 01 is ideal for tasks such as lifting boxes, welding, and grinding. Borg 01 is crafted to seamlessly integrate into current workflows, eliminating the need for significant changes to factory layouts. Why did Borg Robotics develop Borg 01? It all boils down to tackling the challenges faced by the industrial and manufacturing sectors. Here's what Borg Robotics shared in a recent tweet. We're starting our journey by focusing on automating the industrial and manufacturing sectors with AI-powered robotics. After speaking with several factories and warehouses, we learned that their biggest challenges are finding enough workers and dealing with high turnover rates often exceeding 90%. A 90% turnover rate is truly shocking. Many of these jobs involve repetitive, physically demanding work and monotonous tasks that aren't ideal for humans. Borg 01 steps in to bridge the gap, taking on the repetitive, labor-intensive tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher-value responsibilities. By automating these tasks, Borg 01 enables workers to concentrate on roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and collaboration. This not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a more positive work environment. For instance, envision a factory where robots manage the heavy lifting and routine tasks, while humans focus on quality control, innovation, or customer service. It's the ideal combination of human creativity and robotic efficiency. What's even more remarkable is how Borg Robotics is thinking beyond just Borg. The company is creating a comprehensive ecosystem of AI-powered industrial robots. This collection features autonomous pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory management robots, all engineered to work harmoniously with Borg 01. These machines, when combined, have the potential to turn a traditional warehouse into a completely automated and highly efficient operation. Borg Robotics isn't stopping here. They've teased upcoming partnerships and innovations that will expand even further. For instance, they are working closely with manufacturers to customize their robots for particular industrial requirements. This strategy guarantees that their technology is not only cutting-edge, but also practical and influential in real-world applications. Borg Robotics is taking a bold approach by not just building robots, but creating an entire ecosystem aimed at revolutionizing industrial automation. Their strategy focuses on human collaboration. The Borg 01 robot is specifically designed to assist human workers rather than replace them, by taking on the physically strenuous tasks. This enables humans to concentrate on roles that involve creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. Borg Robotics isn't stopping with just Borg 01. They have plans to expand their range with additional autonomous industrial robots, such as pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory management systems. Borg Robotics has a clear vision for the future, and Borg 01 is just the beginning of what's to come. The company is actively partnering with factories and warehouses to gain a deeper understanding of their needs and optimize the capabilities of Borg 01. Looking ahead, Borg Robotics plans to introduce expanded features, including specialized end effectors, tailored for tasks like welding, drilling, and grinding. These updates aim to enhance the robot's versatility and performance in various industrial applications. Borg Robotics has expanded its range to include autonomous pallet jacks, forklifts, and inventory robots, designed to work alongside their flagship Borg 01 model. The company has selected Detroit, the heart of America's manufacturing heritage, as its operational headquarters. Excitement surrounding Borg Robotics has been growing steadily over the past few months. The company teased their upcoming lineup on Twitter, saying, "Our industrial robotic lineup reveal is coming soon, along with some big announcements." That one tweet laid the foundation for what has since become one of the most widely discussed announcements in the world of robotics. And the full reveal has certainly exceeded expectations. This is a strategic decision. Detroit's rich legacy in manufacturing and innovation makes it the ideal location for a company like Borg Robotics. By blending traditional industrial expertise with cutting-edge AI, they are bridging the gap between the past and the future of manufacturing. So, what does all of this mean for the future of the industrial sector? First, it's a significant leap in productivity. Robots like Borg 01 are capable of working faster and more efficiently than humans in certain tasks, which helps companies save both time and money. This boost in efficiency not only benefits businesses, but could also lead to lower costs for consumers. Borg 01 plays a crucial role in addressing the labor shortage crisis affecting various industries by automating physically demanding and repetitive tasks. By doing so, it allows human workers to focus on more meaningful and engaging roles. This shift not only enhances job satisfaction, but also contributes to a safer workplace by minimizing the risk of injuries caused by repetitive strain or heavy lifting. In addition, Borg 01 has a positive environmental impact. These robots are designed to operate with high efficiency, consuming less energy compared to traditional machinery. This commitment to sustainability is becoming increasingly important as businesses seek to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a greener future. What truly sets this apart, however, is the potential for collaboration. Borg Robotics is not just developing robots. They are creating a system where humans and machines can work together seamlessly and efficiently. Don't miss out on the next part of robotics. Subscribe and keep watching.